Sir, you were about to share something.
Yes, just wait. Let all the students join.
Sir, please tell the question. Sir, please tell the third question.
Just wait, beta. Let everyone join.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will
So
share my
just
screen and लोअर बच्चे को पढ़ने की बजाय और उल्टा कम हो गए.
Sir, this question which you will share, we have to write in copy, or we will
Yes,
just answer in chat box.
you will write the question in your copy and then give the answer. It is important to write down the question in your copy.
Sir, you will ask sir, will you ask questions like this also? Ajay walks 24 kilometers toward east and turns to right hand side and takes a drive of another 10 kilometers.
Yes, this type of questions I will ask. From where you are reading this question?
Sir, Google.
Huh? Google.
Yes, sir, as I did not have reasoning notebook, so I always practice from Google.
Okay.
Sir, I also.
Very good.
Sir, my brother told me one site from
And
which I can take out reasoning
I used to
questions.
borrow a book from my neighbor. He take it. He buy it from the shop for the Sainik school.
Hmm. Very good. So you all are working very hard for reasoning also, which is a very good thing. Argun, from which website?
So till now, I have not got the marks of 52 maths and reasoning, and I'm very
Sir,
curious
from
to know.
Freedu. Sir, from Freedu.
Sorry, from where?
Freedu.
Read you. What is the spelling? Can you type it here in the chat box?
Okay.
Okay. Got it. I was expecting that there will be more students, so I was waiting so long.
Sir, but we say it free edu. Means free education.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, do you have a reasoning book?
I don't have a reasoning book. I don't have any book for reasoning. I had, but right now I am not having. Obviously, I have done reasoning from books, but now, right now, I am not having any book.
Sir, what is the name of the reasoning book?
I'm not having any book right now. I'm not teaching from any book.
Okay,
So I
sir,
will.
when you will be teaching us from reasoning book,
Hmm,
please tell us the name of that book.
okay. So now I will share my screen. You will all first note down the question and then give your answer in the chat box. Okay. This is the question. This one, first one. This.
Sir, please show me the first word.
One morning, Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, which direction was Uday facing?
Sir, I know.
Don't tell your answer, just write your answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have given my answer in chat box.
Sir, I have given my answer in box. Please take it.
Sir, is my answer is correct? I have sent you on the chat box.
I will give the answer. Wait just for a minute. Let everyone answer. I hope you all have written the question in your notebook.
No, sir, please
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Sir, please show me last line word.
Last line. It is all there on the screen.
Sir, it is half.
This is the question. Yes. This question you have to note down, but
Sir, is mine correct?
wait for a minute. Let everyone answer. Then I will tell. Have you all written the question in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, have you all written the question?
You, sir, you.
Sir.
Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. I hope you all have written. So let me see the answers.
So what is the correct answer?
I will explain you and then you will understand what is the answer.
Okay, sir.
सबसे पहली बात तो suppose the two people who are standing, suppose this is the first one, he's facing this side. Okay, let us assume that he is standing like this and the second person is standing like this and he is facing this side. Okay, अब क्वेश्चन में स्टार्टिंग में एक छोटा सा हिंट आपको दिया था, इफ यू रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. क्या लिखा है सबसे पहले? वन मॉर्निंग उदय एंड विशाल वर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर फेस टू फेस एट अ क्रॉसिंग. इफ विशाल्स शैडो वाज एग्जैक्टली टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ उदय. मॉर्निंग की बात है. मॉर्निंग में सन कहां पर होता है? द सन इज एट
Sir, east.
ईस्ट.
Sir, east.
यहाँ पर सन है. दिस इज सन.
Yes, sir.
If sun is towards east, this is east direction. That means the shadow will be the shadows of the two people. दोनों की shadow कहाँ बनेगी? Towards west. West की तरफ shadow बनेगी दोनों की. Am I right or not? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah. So now after this, what is written? Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, ये for this person, the first person, suppose this is the first person, जो भी नाम है इसका, and this is the second person. For the first person, west is towards his right or left? West जो है जहाँ पर इसकी shadow बन रही है, ये इसका right side होगा, right hand side है या left hand side?
Right.
It is
Right,
his
right, right.
because he is facing downwards. Okay, तो ये इसका right है. और जो second person है उसके लिए ये side, ये direction west क्या है?
Left.
Left है.
Left.
Am I right or not? Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं if Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, उदय के लेफ्ट में है, तो यानी कि ये सेकंड पर्सन कौन हुआ? This is Uday and the first person is विशाल. फर्स्ट कौन हो गया? विशाल हो गया. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना था, जैसे कि मैंने बोला था दिमाग लगाना है. नाउ क्या पूछ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में? They are asking which direction was Uday facing? Uday is facing towards which direction? ऊपर की तरफ क्या होता है? Uday is facing towards
North.
north and Vishal is facing towards south. अगर आपसे ये पूछे थे विशाल कहाँ देख रहा है, तो Vishal is facing south and Uday is facing north. So answer, correct answer is north. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir. Understood.
sir, I am not able to understand.
Was
It was
the
a little
interesting
tricky.
and a tricky question.
Yes. दिमाग लगाना पड़ा ना?
Sir, is the correct answer north?
North is the correct answer. Yes. Got it. मॉर्निंग की बात है।
Yes,
सबसे
sir.
पहली बात तो यहाँ पर आपको कुछ दिया नहीं था कि कौन किस तरह की तरफ फेस कर रहा है, शैडो वेडो, वो सब आपको दिमाग लगा के पता लगाना था। किस टाइम की बात है? दिस वाज इन द, दे वर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर इन द मॉर्निंग। दैट मींस सन कहाँ पर है? ईस्ट में। एंड शैडो कहाँ बनेगी? वेस्ट में। शैडो किस डायरेक्शन में बनेगी? वेस्ट में। नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, फेसिंग फेस टू फेस, टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, फेसिंग ईच अदर। तो फॉर उदय, विशाल की जो शैडो बन रही है वो उदय के लिए कहाँ पर है? लेफ्ट में। दैट मींस दोनों की ऑब्वियसली दोनों की शैडो कहाँ बनेगी? लेफ्ट साइड में बनेगी। इस डायरेक्शन वेस्ट की तरफ बन रही है शैडो, तो उदय के लिए लेफ्ट हैंड है, वेस्ट उदय के लिए क्या है? लेफ्ट है। दैट मींस उदय इज फेसिंग विच डायरेक्शन? उदय इज फेसिंग नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन। ओके, so this is the answer. ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो गया, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज अ लिटिल बिट हायर देन योर लेवल। इतना डिफिकल्ट आई विल नॉट गिव यू इन एन एग्जाम, I will give you a little easier than this one. So how many of you got it right in the first attempt? First attempt में किसका right आया आंसर? Will you tell me?
Sir, I was not right in my first attempt, but when I
Sir, in the second attempt, I was right, and in the first, I was wrong.
Is there anyone who was right in the first attempt?
No, I was.
But sir,
right in
I tried the
second
third time also, and third time I became again wrong.
हाँ हाँ जी। Is there anyone who got the answer correct in the first attempt? कोई नहीं है।
Sir, I think no one.
Sir, now you
Sir, my this
can,
answer is
understand us that we are too much of we have
sir,
too
my
much of
this answer
honesty.
is correct.
Data all of are listening correct.
Okay, write down the next question, all of you.
Sir, what is
will
the
you
next
share the
question?
screen?
No, I will not share my screen. I am going to dictate the question because this is my own question.
Yes, sir.
Kabir is standing facing the sun.
Sir, first please tell it is afternoon, morning, evening.
Listen to the question first, beta. You will understand.
Rishika, the question would be something different from the last one.
Kabir is standing facing the sun. Full stop. If his shadow,
Sir, I was thinking something about the shadow only. It would be easy.
if his shadow is in the southwest direction, if his shadow is in the southwest direction, if his shadow is in the southwest direction, then which direction is towards his right? Then which direction is towards his right? Then which direction is towards his right?
Sir, I was disconnected. So what you said?
Then which direction is towards his right?
Sir, I have
Through
told
which
you my answer in the chat box.
he said D1.
Then which direction is towards his right?
Sir, I have given my answer in the chat box. The answer that is the last one, that is only.
Sir, I also.
Ishika is the first one to give the correct answer. Ishika Mittal, very good. मृदुल ने थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ कर दी है. Unnati is correct. Karamjeet is correct. Tor is a little
Sir,
bit
I am correct or wrong?
not correct. Rishit not correct. Tor not correct. Lavanya not correct. Rishika not correct.
Sir, is Rishika correct or not?
No, not correct, Rishika. Tor not correct.
Sir, have you said the fourth question?
Sir, is my second answer correct?
No, not correct. Tor not correct. Rishit not correct. Read the question carefully, all of you.
Sir, in the first, sir, when the prayer question was not completed, I think that you would be asking that in which direction he is facing. So I give the answer.
I understood. From your answer, I understood what you are understanding from the question.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the second time, I get the correct answer when I listen the full question.
Correct. So मैं पहले यहाँ पर directions mark कर रहा हूँ to explain you the question. All of you, please pay attention. North, south, west, east. Okay. तो first of all, एक direction हमको given है यहाँ पर. कौन सी direction given है? किस चीज की direction हमको given है यहाँ पर?
Southwest.
Shadow.
Shadow is
Is
there.
shadow.
The shadow is towards southwest. Shadow कहाँ पर है? Southwest में. That means, and he is facing the sun. Sun कहाँ पर है? That means the sun is in northeast. Am I right or not? The sun is in
Northeast. Yes, sir.
sun कहाँ पर है? Northeast में. That is why the shadow is in southwest. Am I right or not? So this means that
Yes,
the
sir.
boy is standing facing the sun. He is facing the sun. पहले ही बोल दिया था, स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोला था? He is facing the sun. कहाँ की तरफ फेस है बॉय का? कबीर का फेस कहाँ पर है? सन की
Towards
तरफ।
the sun.
Northeast. Northeast.
अब अगर कोई बंदा,
Northeast.
if a boy is facing towards northeast, तो उसका राइट हैंड कहाँ की तरफ फेस करेगा? This direction.
Southeast.
This is right and this is left.
Sir,
Right.
till northeast I was correct and I just confused in ending part southeast hand.
Southeast is the right answer. His right hand will be towards southeast.
Sir,
Understood?
I answered southeast only.
Correct answer. You were the first one to give the correct answer. Ishika. Yes. Have you all understood the question, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
please tell question number
Yes, sir.
3.
Okay. Ready for the next question, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, just 1 minute. Sir, just 1 minute.
Sir, ready. Sir, it is interesting and easy too.
Okay. Write down the question. Mayank started from point
Sir,
A.
please tell the question.
Question book now. Note down the question in your copies, all of you. Mayank started from point A. Mayank started from point A and walks 10 kilometers towards east, sorry. Walks 10 kilometers towards east. Mayank started from point A and walks 10 kilometers towards east. क्या लिखा आपने? Mayank started from point A and walks 10 kilometers towards east and reaches towards east and reaches point B. Point B पे पहुंच गया. Point B कहाँ पर है? 10
Sir, please
kilometers.
repeat.
Sir, Mayank started from point A and walks 10 kilometer to east.
हाँ, 10
Sir,
kilometers.
after point B. Sir, after point B.
Mayank started from point A and walks 10 kilometers towards east to reach point B. Walks 10 kilometers towards east to reach point B. B point पे पहुंच गया. Okay. Then he turns right. Then he turns right and walks 10 kilometers to reach point C.
And walks.
Then he turns right.
Sir, what? Sir, what?
Then he turns right and walks 10 kilometers
And walks 10 kilometers
to reach point C. Full stop.
Sir, after point C.
Again he turns right.
Sir, I think that in this
सुनो बेटा पहले क्वेश्चन लिख लो. Again he turns right. Again he turns right.
Sir, again he
And
turns right or east?
right. Again he turns right and walks 10 kilometers to reach point D. D for dog. Again he turns right and walks 10 kilometers to reach point D. D for dog. Got it? Full stop.
Sir, I was just writing D for dog also.
अरे परमजीत को हंसी आ रही है तुम्हारी बात पे.
Sir, D or B?
D for dog बेटा D.
For
D.
dog.
Dog किससे होता है? D से होता है, B से होता है. Okay. And
D,
reaches
D.
point D. Full stop. What is the position?
Sir, B.
What is the position? What is the position of? What is the position of point D when compared to B? What is the position of point D? D for dog. What is the position of point D? D for dog. When compared to B? B for ball.
B.
When compared to B? B for ball. Full stop. Write your
Sir, it
answer in
was
the
too
chat box.
lengthy question.
Sir, in this we can give answers in a north, east or southwest like this also.
Yes.
Sir, whoever want to give the correct answer.
Sorry. Rishika, what are you saying?
Sir, I'm asking who is first to give the correct answer in chat box right now.
Just a minute. I will tell. Let others also try.
Sir, I got the answer.
Sorry. South.
Sir, is my answer correct? I have given it in the chat
Sir,
box.
Sir, first I have given the position of B beside D. So I have then corrected.
Sir, I have given the. I don't know. You may check the answer is correct or not.
So the first one, bata do. I hope you all will listen how I am going to give you the solution. उसको बहुत ध्यान से सुना करिए. The explanation that I give you after giving you the question. Okay. Be very attentive while listening to this explanation. So the first one to give the correct answer is again Ishika Mittal. Ishika has again given the correct answer. Second is Rishika Agarwal. Very good, both of you. Then wrong. Lot of wrong answers. Then the third one is Unnati. To give the correct answer, it is Unnati. Then wrong. Story has given the same answer again and again, and it is wrong. So 3 of you have given the correct answers. Let me explain. So this is point A. Suppose this is A. अब point A से start करा and he or she जो भी है, he moved towards east and reaches point B. East की तरफ चले. East कहाँ होता है? Right side. So he moves towards east and reaches point B. Then he takes a right turn and reaches point C. Then again he takes a right turn and reaches point D. So this is the final position of point D. Final point, which is B. पहले east की तरफ गए 10 kilometers starting from point A and reaches point B. Then he takes a right turn and reaches point C. And then again he takes a right turn and reaches point D. Now you have to tell what is the position of D with respect to B. B के respect में D की position क्या है? यहाँ पर क्या होगा?
Southwest.
तो B के अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे, B के साउथ में क्या है? C है. और B के लेफ्ट में क्या होगा? वेस्ट होता है. लेफ्ट साइड में क्या होता है? वेस्ट. तो B के लेफ्ट में वेस्ट है, B के साउथ में क्या है? C है. तो D कहाँ पर हुआ? साउथ वेस्ट.
10 kilometers.
Got it or not? नीचे क्या होता है? साउथ.
Yes.
A कहाँ पर?
Sir,
What is
but
the
when I was
Sir, we
Sir,
have
but when I
made
was
a
making this diagram, so the point where you had
Yes.
written D, I had written A, and it made a square till end.
Sir, I have done in the same way like you have done.
Sir, I have made it south.
Very good.
Sir, we have made a half rectangle.
Very good. Unnati.
And sir, I had made a whole square.
Have you all
Sir,
understood?
is today of only 1 minute, 1 hour 40 minute class.
1 hour 40 minutes, sir.
There was
Sir,
no
is-
break in between these two
There
classes.
was no break between the 5th and 6th.
Yes. The new timetable was sent it on the group yesterday.
Yes, I know, but I think it will be over at 1:50
It's
only.
about to get over. Just about to get over. In few seconds.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a
Bye-bye.
nice day.